turn it off.
Yeah, turn it off.
Now, we need to take
Turn
cover.
it off.
We're not playing it anymore.
What's that?
Come on.
Oh my god!
Now the first thing you will do.
Oh my goodness, Michael. Hi. Michael, did you see that? I shot it. It was like this.
Alright, let's go.
Okay, I'll hide.
Now, we're playing Call of Duty Black Ops.
Alright.
Ops.
Where's all the
Who's Black Oops?
Black Ops. Now, so
Okay, I gotta go to my station. We're first player.
I'm going in the room. Now the game starts at 5. Juniors, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, snap. Oh, snap. Deadpool coming on.
Yeah, Deadpool's coming on.
Huh?
Deadpool's coming on.
Oh, snap.
That was so close. I almost got Michael. Oh!
Oh, no, you got that jam bullet. I almost had you got that jam bullet.
Hey, y'all better find all those bullets when you're done.
Yes, sir.
Thank you for the free ammo, guys. I'm not giving away no more ammo.
know your way.
Oh, that was so close. That was so close.
After you ran out of bullets,
Oh my